Well, good Wednesday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Lord have mercy. I hope everybody's having a wonderful...
Uh-oh, guess what day it is?
It's hump day.
But you know what? I'm gonna do a little update on this solar panel, solar lights that I put in this feed shed. So give me a second and I'm gonna let you know what happened. Hey y'all, let's go. Had a whole bunch of responses from some folks that are a little bit more knowledgeable in solar than I am. And here is a solar panel. Now what I did was, Darren Jerome over at Jerome Bee Farm and Homestead, a few other folks, Yankee 4, OT, Old Time Engineer, and a few other folks suggested, mainly Darren suggested, that I disconnect the solar panel, which is what I did. Disconnected it from the lights, and I actually put this solar panel in full sun the other day for, had to be at least, I don't know, 8-9 hours of full direct sunlight beaming on this panel. Got home that evening, hooked it back up to the lights, nothing. I don't know if the panel didn't charge the batteries. I don't know, I might have got a defective unit. I'm not really sure. But let me tell you what my thinking is and what I'm fitting to do. And what I'm gonna ask is for some help. Darren, OT, Yankee 4, and all the other folks that are a little bit more fluent in solar than I am. This is what I'm thinking on, and if it's a sure enough dumb idea, please tell me. But let me show you. I have a battery right here, and all it is just a sealed battery, 12 amp hour, 12 volt, kind of like a four-wheeler battery. What I'm thinking is, considering what I paid for this solar panel, which wasn't much, I was thinking about actually cutting this lead and connecting these two leads right here back to the actual LED solar lights that I have in the feed shack. Well, not this shack, but the feed shed, and connecting those ends to this battery, and using this panel right here. This is just a 6-watt solar panel. Actually connecting this solar panel to this battery to trickle charge it, and the lights have an on and off switch, so it's not like they're gonna be on all the time. And I don't know, I could just connect them to this battery, have that thing charge the battery, and then I'll have lights. Now, I don't have a charge controller or anything like that. I'm pretty sure that the solar lights do not take up a lot of amperage or whatever it's called. Not really sure. So I'm thinking it would work. So y'all, if you would, go on and comment below and let me know what you think. If it's a dumb idea, just say it's a dumb idea, and we'll back up and punt. But theoretically, I think it would work. I don't know. I'll give it a try. Don't have a whole lot invested in the solar panel and the solar lights, so why not give it a try? So short video, y'all, and looking for y'all's help. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, y'all need to come on over here and give me a look now, because I'm always doing stuff, really. And with that being said, you know it's coming. Old Dan's always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine, especially when you're trying to, you know, rig something up for some solar lights to put in your feed shack. And we'll see you and y'all in the next video.